Log into your account. Go to Permanent Jobs. Select Post New Permanent Jobs. Add the job title. Select job category. Save and continue. Add required skills. Add years of experience and required education level. Save and continue. State job level and employment type. Indicate location. Indicate the size of job. Indicate salary range and payment duration type. Provide a detailed job description. Outline the qualifications. Indicate application deadline. Upload relevant attachments. Review and post. Done. Now let's find your next standout hire.